Now I'm going to show you how to connect the remotes to the OSI alarm system using the Smart Life app. Please make sure you have at least one remote with you and be situated close to the OSI alarm system. Now let's open the Smart Life app, then select Accessories. Once opened, it will automatically default to the Remote tab, which is where you want to be. Now let's select the plus icon on the top right. You will have approximately 25 seconds to connect the remote. So let's take one of the remotes and press any button to connect it to the Smart Life app. It now says device add success, so let's press confirm. You can now see the remote is now listed under the Remotes tab. If you want to rename the remote, just select it. Then select sub-device name. I'll enter my name. Once done, press save. Now you can press confirm, and you will now see the new name for the remote. Now let's do a test. Let's press the back button. Now on the remote, let's press the Arm at Home button on the bottom left side.
System armed.
Both the alarm display and the app should show as armed. So let's disarm the alarm system by pressing the button with the unlock icon.
System disarmed.
And now as you can see, the alarm system is now disarmed. Just repeat the steps to connect the other remote, and that's it.
Well, we hope this video helped you out. All the products you see here are available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your question below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris and thank you for watching.